the second video of the Learn Japanese with Me series, so let's just jump right in. First, we are going to learn konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means hello or good afternoon. Now we're going to learn konbanwa. 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 Konbanwa means good evening. Next, we're going to learn sayonara. Sayonara. When you're saying sayonara, you're not going to really pronounce the R. It's going to be pronounced more like an L sound. So, sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. Next is going to be hai. Hai means yes. So, hai. And next, we're going to learn ie. Ie. Ie means no. So, you're going to notice that in konnichiwa and konbanwa that the wa has a different kind of hiragana character that is going to look a little bit weird, which I'll also explain a little bit more in another video. But just know that the reason why the wa part of konnichiwa and konbanwa looks like the hiragana ha is because it is a particle. So that's all I have for you guys for today. So I will see all of you in the next